What's 2 times? Let's match them, okay? So match, so it's the same up and down and the same side by side. Let's try it. What's 2? Is it the same? Up and down and side by side? It looks like it. So what's 2 times?
4.
Excellent. Awesome. What's 3 times? Go ahead. Make sure to match things up. Is it the same up and down? And is it the same side by side?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. So what's 3 times?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So what is it?
6.
Yes, 3 times 2 is?
6.
6. Excellent. Okay, let's do another one. What's 4 times? Is it the same side by side?
Yes.
And is it the same up and down?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Excellent. Hey, way to go, bud.